miss working with your friends dun sa other channel like Virgin, sila?
Matagal na kasi kami ni Reg na hindi kumakanta together. Yung parang yung show. But the last we did was Chicago, yung kanyang Timeless Tour. I opened up for her, tapos nag-duet kami ng dalawa yata. So, after nun, we see each other sa bahay niya. Pagka talagang almost dati every week. Tapos nag-rest kasi na-busy siya, na-busy si Ogie, na-busy kami lahat. So, magpo-perform pa rin kami together. I'm sure of that. Hindi lang sa TV. Pero marami pang stages out there na pwede namin tungtungan at gawin ng mga ginagawa namin. It's inevitable. Mangyayari.
Thank you.
Thank you.